Join me for a Rocky Mountain summer. I'm going to show you everything Colorado has to offer. We're going to have some alpine picnics, some Rocky Mountain water, and some great vibes. Come with me in Colorado to the Rocky Mountains and see everything there is to do. Let's have a great summer day.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females nature just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
We're having a great day in Boulder, and we're here at Coot Lake to take your dog swimming. This is a beautiful lake that's actually right next to the Boulder Reservoir, which is another place humans can go swimming. Don't skip these things to do in the summer here in Boulder, Colorado. My dog is having a great time taking a dip. You'll see that on the next clip. And follow along with everything else we're gonna do today. I also have a bunch of favorites in my last video, so be sure to check that out. We're here at Coot Lake. And you can see that's the Boulder Reservoir behind me, and right here is Coot Lake. The dogs go here, and you and some sailboats can go right over here for an awesome summer day. Ah, don't follow.
Good boy.
And we're moving on with our awesome mountain day. Here we're having a great Colorado summer, and we're about to have an alpine picnic. That's a picnic above the sky, all the way in the mountains. We've got our bison burger here that has tomato jam, an onion ring, looks like 2 today, and it's rare cooked with some gorgonzola fondue on it and some crispy fries. Let's take a bite. In my last video, you saw that this is newly one of my favorite burgers here in Boulder, and I'm hoping it tastes just the same. This is probably one of the most mountain eats you could get, a bison burger. That's some true Colorado food. Just as tasty as I remember. And that's at the Chautauqua Dining Hall. How many more mountain eats are we gonna find for this beautiful summer day? At Bojo's Pizza in Idaho Springs. This is some mountain pizza in Colorado. This place has been around since the 1970s. I'm so excited because I've never tried mountain pizza. They're promising thick crust, lots of toppings, and the best part is you have to put honey all over the extra crust. I'm so excited to take a bite and see what this turns out to. Bojo's Mountain Pizza here in Idaho Springs in Colorado.
Here we go.
Money, money, making crap for money.
We've got our Bojo's Pizza here, which I am so excited to try. This is a half pepperoni, half prairie, half Pacific Plantation mountain pie. There's 2 different kinds of pies here at Bojo's. The mountain pie that's loaded with toppings, and a little lighter option, the prairie pie. We went ahead and got the traditional classic mountain pie today. And they say there's a hidden dessert here in the crust because we're gonna pour honey all over it. Let's try a bite.
Money, making crap for money. Money, yeah. 当他们都在说有钱才能做自我，掉入消费主义陷阱，花钱不思索，类似市场的艺术品，多得我快数不。
What they said is also special about this crust is they're making it with olive oil and no sugar. Olive oil and honey in here, and you definitely taste that olive oil right away all throughout this pizza. This tastes really good, and I want to try it with some honey. Bojo's Mountain Pizza. Knocker Brewing in Idaho Springs, and this is another thing you can do to cap off your summer day in the mountains. Go get something nice and cold from a local brewery. We've got a Jack Whacker wheat ale here and their seasonal pumpkin spice that they've topped with a pumpkin spice rim. Tommy Knocker Brewery. They've got a great food menu, and not only, they've got a menu for the dogs too. So come check this out in Estes. I hope you had a great day following along on our summer day in the mountains. Thank you guys for watching, and cheers. I hope you guys had an amazing day following along with us on this beautiful summer day in the Rockies. Don't forget that I'm so grateful for you guys, and again, the mountains are calling. Happy summer. I hope you enjoyed coming along on our Colorado Rocky Mountains summer day. We did all sorts of things like an alpine picnic, alpine eats, and alpine swims. There was a pizza spot that didn't quite make our favorites list, but it did hit that Colorado local food. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for all the support. When you're in the Rocky Mountains, don't forget, the mountains are calling. Thanks everyone, happy summer.